Ini udah mulai. Ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Alda. We are from Group 6, would like to present our poster. Please introduce, my name is Daniel Dodo Pantasionipar.
And my name is Safira Kurniasari.
My name is Nandiogi Septamika.
My name is Ahmad Wadin Agam Sudaisi.
And for the beginning, we would like to uh, introduce our poster. The name is Car Development from the Past, Present, and Future. And from the past, Safira.
The past 1417 until 1880. The concept of car in 1478. This concept did not yet use the engine and was still a sketch on paper. The development of the automobile began with the invention of the steam-powered vehicle by Nicholas J. Cugnot in 1769. Steam engine era 1769 until 1885. The dominance of the steam engine as a source of propulsion. Car design is still simple and boxy. The maximum speed is only about 16 km. Internal combustion engine era 1885 until 1900. The emergence of gasoline engines and diesel engines yaitu carbons 1000 1885 and Gottlieb Daimler 1886 invented the gasoline engine car. So, next, the emergence of next mass production era 1900 until 1940. Henry Ford revolutionized the automotive industry by implementing a mass production system. Ford model became the most popular car in the world. The price of car became cheaper and affordable to the general public. The car design became more modern and functional. That was the development of cars in the past. Next, continue the development of cars in the present era.
And then now I will explain about the present era. The present time starts from 1960 until 2019 until now. Nowadays, the speed of the car has increased from the slow from the past, the slow speed. Now already increased, become more faster. And then the shape of the vehicle has been covered with an iron frame. And then the wheels are shrinking, not like the past. The wheels big, but now the present time the wheels more smaller than the last. And then the wheels are already used for wheels and rubber tires. And then about the machine, it used an injection engine with oil fuel. The design of the car, the present times, is also environmentally friendly. And beside the picture is the example of the car in 1960. If we talk about the shape is functional. Why we can say the shape is functional? Because it already have 4 doors and covered with iron. So when the weather is rainy, we can still cover from the rain and not get wet. And then already have 4 parts of direction of windshield. So we can still look outside without worrying if our eye will get some dust inside. And then the present car already use the front and back rear bumper, so it can make us stay safe but not safe enough. And then the engine is also fast, as I say, because the engine not like the past still use steam, but now the engine already use the injection and now more faster than the past. The engine is also nice, and the car in the present time more comfortable because the car already can make 4 people or more inside, not like the past only a few people can use it, but in the present we already have much people inside it. And then but the car still not environmentally friendly and still behind the technology. That's for the present. Now we go to the future time.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Andiogi Septamika. I'm here. I'm about to present the future time. Begin in 2019 until 100 years in the future. We are in the period of changing oil fuel car with electric power cars. Cars with electric power have advantage than fuel oil cars. The development of the times, I mean like times by times, fuel oil will continue to decrease. Therefore, there is innovation in making electric powered car vehicle. Electric powered car vehicle do not use fuel oil, but use electricity as a power. Tesla is currently pioneer of the development of electric cars in the world. In electric cars, there are so many development in innovation such as autopilot. You can drive your car or maybe your truck while you sleeping. And then the most innovation in electric cars is sensors around the car. Examples of electric powered cars at this time are cars made by Tesla, like Tesla Model Y and X and Z, like that. And the latest is Cybertruck on the picture. The reason many companies are now developing electric powered cars is that they are more environmentally friendly, do not produce gas emission, and electric cars will be more survivable in a future full of technology 100 years again or in the future. In the future, there may also be innovation that we drive a car, but the car is not touching the road. Yeah, the car is floating on the road, and then we drive it. I say it floating cars. Fuel efficient and environmentally friendly engines are the focus of every automotive in the world. It using electricity as fuel. Yeah, we can see it in the picture. The shape of the vehicle is a closed front cover with strong iron, stronger than the present time, and the design tends to be sharp. To be sharp, like in the picture, there is Cybertruck. And also in the future, it doesn't use tires. Maybe we got in the 100 years later is flying cars, the real flying cars, like that. Now is conclusion present by my friend Fatin.
Okay, we can draw the conclusion that today cars are indeed superior to the cars of the past. Cars will always experience change according to the time, starting from steam-powered cars, then oil-fueled cars, and now electric-fueled cars. As time progresses, cars are become more environmentally friendly and technology is improving in them. But in terms of design and in terms of features, this significant evolution occurs because technological development are increasingly rapid every year. As time goes by, every technology creates always experience development and progress since it was first created. Until now, cars have progressed from time to time. The revolution was carried out the profit, comfort, and made cars more modern. Almost all cars components were changed from the car body to the electrical system. There is also a rear and front rear drive system, followed by the last technology such as a smart TV in the cars. Then there is a sensitivity sensor too, and there is a camera at the back. Then there is also AC, which can immediately cool us down when we are in the car. This new car also has a massage chair and umbrella. And after that's all I could.
That's all. That's all from our group. Thank you, Ma'am Alta, for listening our group. Sorry if there is wrong pronunciation while we presentate our poster. Thank you and good afternoon.